Call me if you need your computer repaired. This is Mike at MSL Computer Service. I'm located in Melbourne, Florida. Give me a call. Visit my website also at mslcomputerservice.com. Also, you can go on to Google My Business and look me up there and see all my reviews at Google My Business MSL Computer Service. I do on-site computer service for small businesses and home users. If you need your laptop screen replaced, let me know. If you need your computer speeded up or remove viruses or any software issue you have, let me know. I also do regular maintenance by the month, by every 3 months, however you need it. If you need your computer clean, let me know. Any kind of problems you have, you can email me at mslcomputerservice@yahoo.com, or you can call me at 321-557-0704. I have appointments 7 days a week. You just call, make an appointment. I'll come and look at your computer and we'll get it running good again. If you have a laptop, a desktop, I work on all makes and model computers. Sometimes you need your desktop fans cleaned out. You need your computer cleaned and tuned up, because after a while, it's like a car. When you get your car running, after a while it gets sluggish and you need to have a tune-up. Well, the same thing for a computer. It gets sluggish, and I go in there and I clean it out for you and get it running good again. My prices are very reasonable, and we are doing a good service. We've been doing it for 23 years. I'm certified. I'm a certified computer tech. So just call me if you need your computer repaired, if you have a cracked laptop screen, and we'll get that screen ordered for you and we'll get it repaired. If you have viruses, spyware, adware, or any other issues, you just let me know and I will come and work on your computer. I have a lot of references in Brevard County. I also do remote computer repair over the internet. So if you live outside of Brevard County, I can still come out there and work on your computer via internet. So I just come online and I can control your computer online and do the repairs that way. All payments are made through PayPal. So anytime you need computer repair, just call me. My name is Mike Locascio. I'm from MSL Computer Service. My number is 321-557-0704. Make sure you like my video and subscribe to my channel. I have other videos that are related to computer repairs that will help you with your computer needs. Thanks for watching my video. I'll see you in the next video.